drizzle all day. Also yesterday it was kind of raw out there because of the chill, the seasonable chill in the air, but that's going to be a little different today. The main change is with today, yeah, we got more rain in the forecast, but we are also talking about milder temperatures, so that'll certainly be a welcomed change. It's already a milder start to the morning. Our weather watchers waking up with us. They're reporting their mild temperatures. John in Tabernacle says it's 44 degrees in his backyard. We have Kenneth in Willingboro right around 48. 44 for Jenny in Cherry Hill. Same temperature for Lynn in Cherry Hill. That makes sense, right? Alan in Delran says it's 44 degrees where he lives. Charles in Bath, Pennsylvania at 40. And then Ed in Chesterfield is checking in right around 44 degrees. We'll take you to graphics and show you, yeah, we got more rain that's going to be heading our way, but that mild weather that's going to be moving in throughout the weekend, that's courtesy of a warm front that's going to help those numbers go on the rise into the 50s today into around 60 degrees as we head into tomorrow. But we are still going to be dealing with several rounds of rainfall. Drying will begin though late on Sunday, and that's going to happen behind a cold front. In the meantime, we've got kind of a messy start to the day. Look at these low clouds out there over Center City. A lot of locations actually dealing with the lowering of that cloud deck and foggy conditions. We have a dense fog advisory that's in place for Chester and Lancaster counties until 8 o'clock this morning. Visibilities just aren't ideal, and those aren't the only locations that are seeing the fog. In fact, in Millville, visibilities are 0.3 miles or less. Very little improvement in Dover, still less than a mile as far as those visibilities are concerned, around 1.7 in Reading, about a mile up in the Poconos. So we are dealing with a foggy start to the morning. Storm Scan 3 shows there's not a whole lot in the way of precipitation in our region at least, but zooming out to the west, notice tons of rainfall in portions of Ohio, also making its way into portions of West Virginia, into Kentucky. This is the moisture that we have to contend with as we head into this afternoon, also tonight and the first half of Sunday. Temperatures at least mild. The silver lining, right? 44 in Philadelphia. It's 46 in Millville, 47 down the shore in Atlantic City. We're getting a current temperature in the Poconos right around 41 degrees. So even there, it is extremely mild, especially for this time of year and this time of day. It's 43 degrees in Willow Grove. Good morning to you guys in Pottstown at 42. Westchester right around 42 degrees. It's 46 in Palmyra right around 44 degrees as we wake up this morning in Cherry Hill. So today kind of starting another mild stretch for us as we rise into the 50s. And then guess what? As we head into the next 5 days, temperatures will be remaining in the 50s and also the 60s, and we'll have the return of sunshine too. We'll talk about that. Let's track on future weather the rain that's going to be moving in later on this afternoon. So the first half of the day is going to overall be quieter. We're just going to deal with that fog and also some drizzle here and there. By noontime, starting to see some of those showers pushing on in. We could have some pockets of heavier rainfall, especially as we head toward the evening hours, toward about dinner time. A brief break, and then more rain is going to be moving in overnight. Some of the highest totals will actually be to our north and west, and then later on Sunday afternoon, evening, we'll begin to see drying out occurring. So highest totals north and west, just under an inch in Allentown between today and tomorrow, 3/4 possible Reading, around half an inch in Philadelphia. Again, this is just one model, but it's to give you an idea. South and east we'll see lower totals, north and west we'll see the higher totals. Areas of drizzle and rain today with a high temperature right around 54 degrees. In your Eyewitness Weather 7-day forecast, we're looking at 60 degrees as we head into Sunday. Rain likely again, especially during the first half of the day. Mix of sun and clouds on Monday. Look at the sunshine that arrives as we head into Tuesday with a high temperature of 59 degrees. Jan, that is my pick of the next week. Back to you.
Thank you, Chelsea.